We were asked to find out information regarding a drawbridge, and the drawbridge is 150 feet long when stretched across the river. Therefore, we have the start of our picture. We would also know that the two sections of the drawbridge open up and reach a maximum angle of 35 degrees each. We know that the water level is also 15 feet below the closed bridge. We want to find the distance between the end of the section and the water level when it is fully open. We will recognize that we can create a right triangle that would recognize how high the bridge opens from its horizontal position to its maximum height. We are going to call this H. Therefore, we can find D by locating H and adding the 15 feet to the water below. We can now use right triangle trig, noticing that the bridge would open, splitting the 150 into two equal-sized pieces, or 75 feet sections. Now we have the hypotenuse, and we're looking for the opposite. Therefore, we will use the sine of 35 degrees is equal to h over 75, or 75 times the sine of 35 degrees is equal to h. Solving this problem, we will see that taking D and adding 15 to H gives us an approximate value of 58 feet. We are now ready to solve Part B. Part B wants to know how far apart the two ends are when the bridge is fully opened. Again, we can create these two right triangles that are congruent. We have two pieces of equal length, A, and then our middle piece, which we will call B. Our problem is asking us to find B. So what we know is 2 times A plus B should total the 150 feet. In order to solve this, we will first find an estimate for side A using right triangle trig. We will notice that we are looking for the adjacent when we know the value of the hypotenuse. So we are looking for the cosine of 35 degrees is given by A over 75, or 75 times the cosine of 35 degrees is equal to A. Putting this into our calculator, we will get A to be approximately 61.4 feet. Therefore, to solve for B, we know that B is equal to 150 minus 2 times A, or 150 minus 2 times 61.4, giving us approximately 27 feet as the distance between the two tips of the bridge.